Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fifth question in exercise 9.2. The probability distribution of a random variable x is given in this table below. Find the value of k and determine the mean of the distribution. See, we know that the sum of all probabilities is going to be equal to 1. So, which means k plus k squared plus 2k squared plus k should be equal to 1. So, you combine, this is going to be 3k squared plus 2k is equal to 1. So, this is 3k squared plus 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, I am going to split this. So, I am splitting the middle term. This is 3x squared plus 3k minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. So, if I take 3k outside, this will be k plus 1. If I take minus 1, it is k plus 1 is equal to 0. So, 3k minus 1 into k plus 1 is equal to 0. So, k is equal to minus 1 or it is equal to 1 by 3. See, k is nothing but the probability value. So, it cannot be minus 1. So, therefore, the k value is equal to 1 by 3. Now that we found the value of k, let's work on finding the mean of the distribution. Mean mu of the distribution is sum of xi pi. So let's start to put. So this is going to be 0.5 into k, which is equal to 1 by 3. Then plus 1 into 1 by 3 the whole square, because it's given as k square in the table, plus 1.5 into 2 into 1 by 3 the whole square. Remember, the square is only for k. And in the last case, it is 2 into 1 by 3. Now you simplify. This is 0.5 divided by 3 plus 1 by 3 the whole square. So this is going to be 1 by 9. This is 1.5 into 2 is 3. So this is going to be 3 divided by 3 square, that is going to be 9. And this is finally 2 by 3. You take out an LCM. So the LCM is going to be equal to 9 in this case. So this in this I will directly write. So this is 1 plus 3. So here into 3. So here also into 3. So here is a 6 into 3. So into 3, this is going to be equal to 1.5. So now let's add up. So 6 and plus 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So this is 11.5 by 9, or this is 115 by 90. So you simplify. This is going to be equal to 23 divided by 18. 5 tables. So this is the final answer. So the expectation is nothing but, or the mean is nothing but 23 divided by 18. You can convert it into decimal, or you can just leave the value in this fraction. In the next video, we will find the solution for the sixth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.